Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Yusuf from Dental Reviews. I've got two guys with me. I've been very lucky. I'm here in the Masai Mara, and these lovely guys, these gentlemen, have taken me around the Masai Mara. We've had such a great time. Earlier, George, you were telling me about some really interesting facts. We were talking about the history of Masai, and then more specifically, we were talking about how it relates to dentistry. So I've got a few questions. I won't take too much of your time. I know you guys are busy. The first question I had was when it comes to dental issues, a
Yeah.
very common one that we face obviously all around the world is impacted wisdom teeth. I have to surgically remove quite a few in the hospital. How do the Masai people deal with these types of complications?
Well, thank you so much. And first I begin, how was your day?
Amazing. I loved it.
Amazing.
Yeah, you guys have been
Good.
great.
You enjoy the Mara?
Asante.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love the Mara. Love the Mara.
Yeah,
It's been so,
good.
so good.
Yes, very good. So in this situation of Maasai, like if I start by saying, we don't surely have much complication about it. You know, teeth most of the time get problem with things like sugar, things like sweet things, I may say. And for us Maasai, we grew up, we don't have sugar, we don't have sweets, we don't have cakes, we don't have biscuits. You get my point?
Yeah.
These are the things for now coming to make these things like headache.
Yeah.
So in the longer time, the Maasai people use only milk.
Okay.
Milk, blood, and meat.
Yeah.
So this is the food. And if you go to the meat, like eating meat, the meat only make your nerves strong. You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
So eat like, if you eat like bones like the lions do. Lions, they like chewing bones. And also when you start eating like things, hard things, your teeth will remain forever. So, and as I told you earlier in the morning, that we don't have special way of taking out the teeth or taking care of the teeth. In the first place, in the bush, we have a tree called the green hat. This tree is very special for toothbrush.
Okay.
And from there, you go back, you forget that, you don't forget that we never use the toothpaste.
Hmm.
We don't have the brush,
No fluoride, anything like that
nothing
in your
like
tooth?
Colgates,
Yeah.
nothing like that.
Yeah.
So we grew up, like we use many types of trees for making our simple toothbrush.
Hmm.
So there's a tree that we call the green hat.
Okay, the green hut.
Yeah,
Okay.
like the one that we have a shade in this afternoon.
Okay.
That tree is very nice.
Yeah.
It's like bitter
Yeah.
with like if you take a small, like unripe stem, if you see in the middle there is a green line. So that's why I call green hat.
Okay.
So
Fine.
that is the tree we use for for making like a brush. Like
Yeah.
I think you have seen me doing it.
I think earlier I did see you do it. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
So that's what we use.
Amazing.
Yeah. So
You don't need
for-
fancy electric
so
brushes or anything
no,
like that.
no. We have very nice like we have this one, the white rice tree.
Yeah.
It's in front of you.
Yeah.
The best one for cleaning your mouth.
Wow. Okay.
So we
And
use.
how many times a day would you brush your teeth then?
You can do it after, like, we don't have time to eat.
Okay.
So if you eat in the morning, you eat again in the evening.
Yeah.
So there is nothing like lunch in between or dinner in between.
Sour.
So you brush in the morning, and you brush. You can even, sometimes people take this like, you have this brush with your clubs. Sometimes you put here. Sometimes when you have airs, you put it
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
So
You
that's
have it with you at all times.
yeah. When you feel it, you do it.
Sour.
And if you want to have a new one, you do it.
Fine. Sour.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, but going back to dealing with surgery
Uh-huh.
or complicated teeth that have been broken,
Yeah.
Moses, tell us how is it done?
to the surgeries or to the complication of the teeth broken when the elders are removing your teeth.
Yeah.
We don't have a big issue with that because we don't need long time we don't have the hospitals. So we deal with the locals, elders, or the local medicine. They'll give you a medicine that you can use just for a moment. Then by tomorrow you're okay.
To add something on that, actually, when these specialists like our elders remove your teeth, the best thing to do is they give you medicine from the bush.
Yeah.
They know which one. And after all, they told you in the morning or in late evening start eating meat.
Okay.
It cures. So you start chewing using that gap.
Amazing.
So you bleed a little bit and
Yeah.
it continues and it ripe quickly.
Fair enough.
And also, to add something, after they remove the teeth, the first thing you can use is a milk,
Milk.
a cow milk,
Okay.
to
Fresh
it's
cow
like to
milk,
fresh
direct from the cow.
And
to
it-
fresh the wound,
Yeah.
and also to use to step out the blood from the mouth.
So it helps
Yes.
with the healing.
Yes. And also the belief.
Okay.
The belief
Yeah.
is the most important thing for a
Fine. Fine. Very interesting. Okay. Okay. So that's my first question. My second one is: would you mind telling people that don't know? Maybe there'll be people watching this that might not know about the Masai Mara culture, about the bottom teeth
Yeah.
and the removal and how it helps, or the reason for it, because I found that extremely interesting.
Yeah, for the people watching us about this, I think if the message that I told you in the morning still in your portal, if you tell them, everybody will feel and you'll get to be interested with.
Mm.
So I don't know, you will take this message to London or wherever you came from and start taking out the people did. Then we will have another Masai there in the US. Yeah.
So you'll have to just explain, just because there'll be people that wouldn't have seen the Instagram stories. So you just give a brief history as to why this is there with regards to
Cool.
missing teeth.
Yes, I told you Masai are pastoralists.
Yeah.
That when I say pastoralists, it's the people with cows, sheep, and goats. And I told you when the Maasai people they were found, they came through Ethiopia, came to Kenya in the 15th century. They come with their cows, sheep, and cow depend on grass, water. That was the main thing that for these people to be called pastoralists. Again, we are plain islands. So we came all the way, moving from one place to another, looking for these two things, water, grass, and shelter. So by that movement, as I told you, we moved from Western Kenya, Northern Kenya, Eastern Kenya, and Southern Kenya. We are now in this whole region of the country. And the people moved they started from Kisumu. When they came to Kisumu, as I told you earlier, Kisumu was a Maas Island. And Kisumu means poison.
Mm.
So when I told you, give me a sumu, then you're giving me poison. So they found that the soil there was not so fertile for the cows or for them too. So people were dying, cows are dying. So they believe that the water from the Lake Victoria on that side is poison.
Wow. Okay.
So that's why they move again towards the Kakamega forest, coming slowly to Lake Nakuru. This is where I told you they found this place. There is water around the lake, but there's bare. There's no grass. So around the lake, it was a bare land. It doesn't rain because of the climate lining at the north side. So there was no rain. They stayed there quite time. The cows start getting thinner and thinner and thinner. And they say, we better move. They move again. From there, they go to from Lake Nakuru to Elementaita. Elementaita, the lake was sometime nearly getting dry. So they didn't find the lake Elementaita was salt like that. But what was there is too much salt. So Lake Nakuru and Lake Elementaita, these are very salty water lake, which was not so good for the cows and them too. They move again to the north. When they go to the northern Kenya, they go to Samburu and Laikipia. They go there and they find that it's not good climate. Some say, no, we are not staying here. We go near to the mountain. The peaks on the mountain are surely names after the Masai people.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Mount Kenya has got two peaks, Sentewe and Lunana.
Oh, the Masai people.
The Masai people, these are the first Masai people, we call them Loibon.
Okay.
Loibon mean like, like the kings.
Wow. Okay.
It's like a king or somebody who can predict something which is
Yes.
coming.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So these are very important people.
They
then.
can
Yeah.
predict something coming in few years or a few days, or they can see
Fine.
So when
something you
they,
can't see.
Fine.
so there in Mount Kenya, they say it's so cold here, and the soil is red,
Mm.
so it may not be good for the cows. They move again down to via what we call the Abadea ranches, the Fia Laikipia or Kalau. They come and settle where they find a big lake, Lake Naivasha.
Mm.
From there, they find this water is always adding up. You know, like the lake is, the waves are going, coming, goes. So they say, no, we cannot stay here. This lake one day will take us inside, and we don't know who is there.
Mm.
So they decided to move towards Nairobi. They go there and they find the water. The area is okay, but the water there is so cold. Why? It's high, the altitude is very high. The water comes from the Mount Kenya, and they say that no, we will not stay here. That's where they split it. Some go back to the north to meet the people left. Some go to the east to meet the people who went to Samburu to Samburu, yes, and Amboseli, and those who go to Tanzania. And the one that, like our ancestors now, they are pushed coming down to the lowland.
Mm.
So now we are here because of our ancestors. They come and settle here. So now that's why we have a settlement here.
So
Yes.
fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I said, you have to tell us the reason for the teeth
The teeth removal.
teeth removal.
Okay,
Yes.
let
Yeah,
me
go on.
say the
Let
first.
let
Okay,
Moses
tell us.
elaborate.
The first thing about the teeth, the first thing is for identification of the Masai. Because long time we don't have the people get lost from the forest, people get lost to the other communities. But if you have the mark, they will say this is the Masai.
It's very distinct. It's
Very
very
distinct.
clear.
Yeah.
Very clear.
Only the Masai.
Only the Masai can remove the teeth from.
The two central.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is the first thing. Second thing, George will explain.
Yes. As I told you earlier this morning, we move from one place to another with our cows. Remember, you have only maybe a cup of milk in the morning, and you walk the whole day for 12 hours as you are going with the cows looking for water and grass. So from there, if you think of you have 1 cup of milk and maybe the previous days you have not have of anything, you will get weak, and sometimes people faint. So when the Maasai people already started know the cows is very important for them, they go, they buy the syringe, I know, from the clinic, and this thing they have been traveling with. So whenever they pass the river with water, they have special things like handbags they make with the cow skin, and they fetch water.
Okay.
They carry water with these cow skin and like something like a handbag. So when someone faint or when someone is weak, if you faint, how can I help you? Maybe your mouth will get closed, and how can I help you? They were so smart. They say, we removed these 2 teeth for us to have the pole here to use for water, to use for milk, and someone will come back to life. So that's why the reason we have no these teeth. Plus, identification.
Yes.
So our culture has been like that. This one, the ear marks or the ear holes, this is for beauty. If you find me at home, I will put all this, my earrings with bling blings. Sometimes you can't even recognize me. You'll see me, it's different person. So it's for dancing and for,
Yeah,
so that's the beauty we are looking at the ears.
amazing.
Yes.
Now that is, honestly, I find that extremely interesting.
Yes.
Now my final question,
Yep.
and so my final question, as I said, is going to be dentally related. You mentioned something else that was very interesting, in that before somebody comes to have these teeth removed, or any teeth removed, you said that you tell them not to eat or drink tea or anything like that.
Early morning.
Early morning. See, I'm from the UK. It's very difficult to then tell my patients not to have any tea or anything, but tell us the reason for that.
Sure. This is, we grew up with our parents and they teach us all about this.
Yeah,
So they told us, if you are ready to be removed teeth tomorrow morning, don't eat anything. Why? Don't make your body active. So you will not bleed too much. So once you get the teeth removed by 7, because it will be done by 7 in the morning,
yeah,
from 7 to 8, before you get even the sunburn. Because they say when you get the heat from the sun, your blood will start like so much going.
yeah.
So they say don't eat anything. Come very early when all nerves are still not active.
Fine.
So that's the reason. Because they say if you drink tea
Yeah,
or milk, sorry, they have no tea. If you drink milk, you make the blood active.
and then it can bleed.
And then
after
you
your-
can bleed after your teeth removed.
Fine.
So maybe you will tell them when they come to your
I'll
clinic,
tell them.
please don't eat bread or breakfast,
Everything before.
no sausage.
No, thank you very much. Honestly,
Yeah.
guys, I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
You've shown me around the Masai Mara. I've had a really good experience.
yeah.
If you don't mind telling people, because I'm obviously going to recommend Masai Mara, if you don't mind telling them about what you guys do and your business that you have here, for those that may be interested.
Thank you for meeting you. It has been a pleasure.
been
You
a
have been a
pleasure.
kind guest.
You've been a lovely host.
Yes, and we believe we did the best for you.
No, definitely.
And we show you up to sometime you went to the border Kenya, Tanzania.
Yeah, we went all the way.
This is the key place. And now we want to tell people there is a hidden jewel here in the Masai Mara or in Kenya.
Okay.
For those who want to know here or to come here, my friend is here. Follow him on Instagram. Your name in Instagram?
My name on Dental Reviews.
So follow dental reviews. This guy will contact you, and this guy will give you a good line, and you can easily be helped.
Yeah.
And for me, our Moses, we plan trips all over the country,
Yeah.
and we do all over the country, not only Masai Mara.
Yeah.
We do Amboseli, Naivasha, Samburu, Kakamega, Savo East, Savo West, Mombasa. So we are flexible in all over the country.
Amazing.
So people, don't hesitate to ask. We can give you quotations.
Yeah.
We know how to bring you. We know how to host you.
Definitely.
And we wish you a good year,
Thank you.
2026.
Thank you, Asante.
Yes.
Asante sana.
Thank you, Moses.
Thank
So
you very much.
In
you
Masai
so
we
much.
say Asholeg.
Ashole.
You say that?
Ashole.
Ashe Oleng.
Ashe Ole.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Thank
So
you very
we,
much.
Yes.
one thing, we are the Kenya Professional Safari Guides,
You are the Kenya professional.
Kenya
Yes.
Professional Guides,
Yes.
Masai Professional Guides.
Yeah.
So if you want to visit Kenya,
Yeah.
please
Definitely.
use us.
Absolutely. I highly recommend.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, bravo.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Well,
Thanks, guys.
Asante sana.